Georgia Ohm, and I'm the coordinator for the Coquitlam River Watershed Roundtable. We are here in Lions Park, right next to the Coquitlam River, which runs between the cities of Coquitlam and Port Coquitlam. The Coquitlam River Watershed Roundtable acknowledges that we operate on the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territory of the Kwikwetlem First Nation. We're grateful to the Kwikwetlem First Nation for caring for and stewarding these lands and waters and everything that is above and below for millennia.
In 2020, the Coquitlam River Watershed Roundtable and its partners installed a rain garden in Lions Park. Since then, the garden has been filtering stormwater and creating a vibrant space for community and wildlife. This video will share more about how rain gardens work and let you know how to get involved.
Hello, my name is Nancy McCurra, and I am a Port Coquitlam City Councillor. I'm also the proud designate for the environment in our city, as well as the Coquitlam River Watershed Roundtable. That's what brings me here today. I want to help explain our beautiful pilot rain garden behind us. This is a project that happened a couple of years ago, and it was a collaborative effort with several organizations as well as people. And I'm very proud of the work that's being done on it and continues to be done on it. It's still in its infancy. They say that a rain garden can take about 5 years to mature. And people say, well, rainwater, and how does this turn into stormwater? Well, as soon as it hits an impervious surface, such as the roof behind me, such as a driveway, anything where the rainwater will not go through. So what we've done here is we have harnessed the water from the roof and have it come down through the pipes behind us on the pipes into the rain barrel. And that's what we use during the dry season. The people that have helped bring this to fruition have been the City of Port Coquitlam, VanCity, as well as Cewe Construction, and the Oceans and Fisheries. So with Cewe, they were wonderful. They brought the bark mulch, they helped do the trench, and the trench goes around and inside of the rain garden. And there's also some gravel in there, and that will help filter out the impurities of the rainwater as it goes into the ground. And as it goes into the ground, it's filtered naturally. And that naturally filtered water will slowly go to the Coquitlam River right here behind me. And what we're really hoping is that many people in our community will do a similar project, perhaps in their yard, perhaps in other places within the city, where we can harness the water and use this environmental infrastructure assembly behind us in more places.
For their first 5 years of life or so, the delicate young plants in the rain garden will need a little bit of extra care. During the warm summer months, individuals or small groups of volunteers can sign up for a watering shift. Watering takes place in the pleasant morning or evening hours and takes only about an hour of time.
I'm Dawn Becker, and I'm board chair of the Port Coquitlam Community Foundation. At the POCO Community Foundation, we thrive ourselves on supporting programs and nonprofits in our community that do the most important work in our community. The POCO Community Foundation, we pride ourselves on being able to reach into the corners of our community to support really unique programs, such as this rainwater garden behind us. We have funded through our grant program with the City of Port Coquitlam several grants to this amazing project. This project, we really hope, along with all the other supporters and the sponsors of the Coquitlam River Watershed Society, that it will help people in our community learn how to live with our ever-changing climate. This rainwater garden will hopefully help our residents understand the importance that climate change is placing on our natural resources, the critical importance that it's placing on our natural resources. If you want to know more about how you can help, what impact you can make both in the community and in your own lives, in your own gardens, yards, please come down, join the Coquitlam River Watershed Society, contact them through their website, email, social media postings.
And then in the fall, we're going to also have a call out for maintenance project. The maintenance project will be to help with some more bark mulch, some more maybe some more planting of some of the trees and ferns and small shrubs that haven't made it. So we continue to make this project look the best that it can, and at the same time, you're going to feel rewarded because you're giving back to the community. What better way to do that than to see something grow? And the shrubs are growing behind us, as you can see, and please come and take a look. Thank you.
The rain garden was installed with funding and in-kind support from VanCity Savings, Cewe Construction, Fisheries and Oceans Canada, the City of Port Coquitlam, and volunteers with the Coquitlam River Watershed Roundtable. More recently, we've received a grant from the Port Coquitlam Community Foundation to renew our rain garden in the autumn of 2024.